Hi gentlemen, I will explain in this video a new software inkflow. inkflow 2025 offers smart AI writing capabilities that create both short and long-form content instantly. The platform includes SEO optimization features to boost Google rankings with keyword-rich content. Users benefit from AI visual suggestions that provide image and video recommendations for more engaging content. The social media auto-caption feature eliminates brainstorming by generating captions automatically. The software creates powerful email and ad copy, helping users write high-converting marketing materials effortlessly. E-commerce businesses can generate compelling product descriptions in seconds. Pre-made templates speed up content creation with ready-to-use formats. The AI editing and proofreading functionality improves grammar, tone, and clarity with intelligent checks. inkflow 2025 combines these features into a comprehensive content creation solution designed to save time and improve results across multiple content formats. To get yours, click in link in first comment.